Good morning and welcome to the class of 2020 commencement celebration. Our entire Trojan PA team is sharing this experience with you online. And while you may not be able to see them like you can in the Zoom classroom that you've been experiencing for the past 2 months, I can assure you that they are all present and accounted for with huge smiles on their faces and probably a little bit of tears dripping down from the pride that they have in you and your classmates. And we know which ones are more likely to cry than others. While this is clearly not the same as seeing you in person, this is truly a special day. We are gathered here today to celebrate this achievement that you have all endured to complete. For many of you, this is the culmination of 7+ years or more of hard work and determination to complete your journey. At some point in your life, you opted in for a life of service, a life that serves humanity, a life that serves with humility, compassion, integrity, and a little bit of tenacity. And your predecessors are out there right now in the hospitals, emergency rooms, and clinics throughout the United States and around the world, anxiously awaiting your arrival. Over the past 33 months, you have endeavored to learn as much as you can about the human body. You've expanded your knowledge of anatomy, physiology, pathophysiology, genetics, pharmacology, pharmacotherapeutics, and a multitude of topics in medicine. You've also learned to care for patients with cultural humility and patient-centeredness. You've expanded your confidence and competence in the use of medical Spanish. You can now conduct a complete history and physical examination on children to older adults and everyone in between. At the end of that examination, you have the ability to order and interpret diagnostic studies and make a diagnosis with an appropriate treatment plan. You can suture wounds, place splints, cast a fracture, assist in surgery, and even insert a chest tube if necessary. And this was all accomplished in the last 33 months. You and your loved ones have much to be proud of. Today, we will celebrate from a distance. While not ideal, this is the smart bet. This is good leadership. As healthcare providers, we have an obligation to lead, to mentor, to teach others how to make it through this pandemic. And so we take this moment to stop and celebrate this achievement, but the celebration isn't over. Once our scientific colleagues develop a vaccine or treatment for this virus, our lives can return to whatever normal will look like on the other side of this tragedy. We acknowledge that it might be difficult to celebrate today for some as we see the tragic outcomes from this deadly virus hitting every sector of society, with some less equitably than others. But we choose to celebrate your success today, as we know you are ready to go out and make a difference in the lives of your patients and your communities. We also know that you are prepared to become a nationally certified PA and find success in healing others. This is truly something to celebrate, as our world needs you and others like you to love more, to serve more, and to heal those around you. Today, we have a few aspects of commencement planned to whet your appetite, but please know that we will be saving much of our celebration for the real deal when we can all gather as a family again and celebrate with hugs and high fives and a lot of laughter. Dean Laura Mosqueda has always been a champion for our vulnerable friends and neighbors. She graduated from the Keck School of Medicine of USC and went on to train at USC Medical Center, where she became a passionate servant for our older patients. She has built a legacy on investigating and understanding the signs and symptoms related to elder abuse. She has testified in front of Congress and the Justice Department on numerous occasions to help educate and to advocate for stronger laws to protect our loved ones. Throughout her career, she has served with a PA, and she has been the single greatest advocate in the Dean's office for this program and for you, our PA students. Over the past 8 weeks, I have seen her work tirelessly to advocate for all of us. She has fought for our safety, and she has fought to save all of our patients, but especially our vulnerable ones in the skilled nursing facilities and on the streets of Los Angeles with our street medicine program. It is my great pleasure to introduce Dean Laura Mosqueda for her remarks.
Hello, newly minted physician assistants. Congratulations. You are graduating from one of the top 10 physician assistant programs in the country. As much as I regret that we're not here conferring your degrees in person with high fives and handshakes and hugs, I'm grateful to be able to offer these virtual congratulations for your very real accomplishments. I also am grateful for your commitment to providing healthcare and practicing medicine in the interest of the greater good. I know it feels like everything in the world these days is about COVID-19. Even now, when we're celebrating and honoring how your dreams have come to fruition in the form of this important milestone, the pandemic serves to remind us how absolutely critical you are and will continue to be throughout your careers, especially in times like these. In fact, this particular moment in history shines a light on you and asks that you shine your own light on the world by using to your full capacity the training and expertise you earned at the Keck School of Medicine of USC. The knowledge and skills you acquired have equipped you to respond to health crises like today's pandemic, to apply all of your expertise, abilities, and compassion when and where they are needed. Whether you're in an urban hospital, a small town clinic, part of an academic medical center, or providing health care on the streets or in underserved communities, what you learned and earned during your time at Keck will serve you, the medical teams on which you serve, your medical specialties, and your patients well. Wherever it is, I implore you to dedicate yourselves to ending health disparities and engendering equity in a healthcare system currently filled with fine people, but fraught with systemic injustice. Represent USC and the Keck School of Medicine by being a beacon for better and fighting on for those who cannot fight for themselves. I am counting on, indeed, the world is counting on you to bring all you have to bear on improving and saving lives, and to do so with the utmost respect for your colleagues, your patients and their families, and for the medical profession. I know I speak for the faculty members and mentors you worked with here at Keck, and for your families when I say, in this strange moment, please revel a bit in your moment and heal on.
It is now my pleasure to introduce our department chair, Dr. Janai Robinson. Dr. Robinson is the Associate Dean of Primary Care for the Keck School of Medicine of USC and the Department Chair for the Department of Family Medicine, which the PA program is housed in. She previously served as the Vice Chair for Clinical Affairs before assuming the role as Chair. She received her undergraduate degree from Stanford University and completed her medical school at Morehouse School of Medicine in Atlanta, Georgia, where she graduated summa cum laude. Dr. Robinson completed her internship and residency at Harbor UCLA in the Family Medicine Residency Department, and she completed a fourth year as a chief resident. Dr. Robinson has served the underserved in a variety of settings, including federally qualified health clinics here in Los Angeles, and she now serves the underserved in a role with our Keck Street Medicine program. Dr. Robinson is a strong supporter of the PA profession and our street medicine teams. She has focused her leadership on bringing joy back to practice and work, and she has been a key leader throughout this pandemic for the Keck School of Medicine. It is my honor to introduce Dr. Robinson for her remarks.
Hi, all. I'm Dr. Janai Robinson, and I am the chair of the Department of Family Medicine at Keck School of Medicine at USC. And on behalf of the entire Department of Family Medicine, I want to wish you a heartfelt congratulations on your graduation from our PA school. 2020 graduates, I want you to know we are so incredibly proud of you. We know how hard you've worked, the hours you've put in, your dedication, your persistence, your commitment has been amazing. And now you have graduated, and it is time to celebrate and to acknowledge the important milestone that this is in your professional careers. Congratulations to you. I want to wish you, as you are thinking on your next adventure, all the best of luck, and also a few pieces of advice to take with you along the way. Number one, remember to always say thank you. Yes, you've worked hard for this accomplishment, but I am guessing there's a number of family, friends, faculty, teachers, people who've supported you along the way. So this is a good time to reach out and to say thank you to them, and to always remember to be grateful and to be gracious to those around you. Number two, I want to encourage you to be bold, to be brave. You're well trained. You are ready to take on the next adventure. But with that, I also want to remind you to always ask for help. It's okay to say, I don't know. It's okay to say, I need some help with this. That will only make you stronger as you continue to grow and develop. And finally, I want to remind you that when you're not sure what to do, always put your patient first. If you always do what's right by your patient, you will be doing the right thing. So with that, I wish you all the best on your next adventure. Please remember us here at USC and go ahead and fight on. Congratulations, 2020 graduates. We're so incredibly proud of you.
The Pi Alpha Honor Society is the only honor society for PAs throughout the United States. Our chapter has a very strong leader and president in Miss Crystal Renee Day-Catray. Miss Renee Day-Catray is a former president for the class of 2011, and she has practiced cardiothoracic surgery in Glendale, California since graduation. She has been the president of our Pi Alpha Honor Society for the past 2 years and has done an outstanding job. It is my distinct privilege to introduce Miss Renee Day-Catray to deliver the Pi Alpha Awards for the class of 2020.
Hey, class of 2020, friends and family. Although we cannot physically be together today and celebrate the culmination of your PA education, it is wonderful to be together virtually. Now more than ever, the current circumstances have shown us how important and essential PAs are. And I'm honored to now call you all colleagues. Pi Alpha, the National PA Honor Society, is the official honor society for the physician assistant profession. The motto of Pi Alpha is scholarship, service, and leadership. Thus, membership signifies an inductee's significant academic achievements and honors them for their leadership, research, community and professional service, and other related activities. The society encourages a high standard of character and conduct among students and graduates. Membership implies a lifelong commitment to learning applied to benefit others. Today, we will honor the inductees for the class of 2020. Student membership in Pi Alpha is an honor bestowed upon a graduating student in recognition of not only scholastic achievement with a minimum GPA of 3.5, but also demonstrated excellence in research, community and professional service, publishing, and leadership activities. This year's inductees for the class of 2020 include Amber Price, Cooper Couch, Donna Newman, Myrna Molina, and Shirin Haydari. Congratulations, and may you continue to model the high ideals of lifelong learning and participation in intellectual life to benefit others that your induction into Pi Alpha signifies. You should have also all received a certificate of membership, official Pi Alpha pin, and honor cords in the mail. Once again, congratulations to all inductees of the Pi Alpha Honor Society. And more importantly, congratulations to the entire class of 2020. Up to 15% of each graduating class can be inducted into the Pi Alpha Honor Society. So you are all still able to be nominated as an alumni in the future. I have had the privilege and honor to not only lecture to all of you, but I was also able to be a preceptor again this year. Witnessing firsthand the skills that you have acquired and how much each of you has matured and grown during your time here at USC, I trust that each of you will continue to strive for excellence to not only become compassionate, knowledgeable PAs, but to continue to make a difference in your community through service and leadership. I'm so proud of all of you and fortunate that I could be a part of your education. Fight on.
Each spring, the class selects their class speaker, and this year, the class chose Maria Ciliberti. Ms. Ciliberti has been an outstanding student and colleague for the class of 2020 throughout her stay, and today she has decided to deliver a small portion of her remarks that she is looking forward to sharing with you at the actual commencement ceremony. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Maria Ciliberti.
Good morning, family, friends, esteemed faculty, and fellow graduates. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Maria Antoinette Ciliberti Vargas, and I was immensely fortunate to have been selected as the USC PA Class of 2020 Commencement Speaker. I was asked to send in a quick message to my fellow graduates, but before I go on, I hope this moment in time finds you and your loved ones safe and healthy. To my beloved 2020s, today certainly doesn't feel fair or what we deserve or anything we could have ever imagined, but we cannot, will not allow what's happening to take away from the simple truths that we have been grinding tirelessly 24/7, 365, sacrificing so much along the way to say we did it. Guys, this is it. This is the moment that we've been dreaming of, that we've been working towards ever since that day that we got that call saying, congratulations, you are a Trojan. And that day, whether we knew it or not, we became a family. And as a family, we've lost loved ones, gotten married, watched babies grow, experienced triumphs, failures, exhaustion, the pain, frustration, inequities of medicine, but more importantly, its profound joys while finding our true calling. We've been through so much, all the while evolving and growing together. For now, I'll leave you with a quote that came into my life during a time when I thought the words "we did it" would never come. So until I see you again, I challenge myself and each and every one of you to start now. Start where you are, start with fear, start with pain, start with doubt, start with hand shaking, voice trembling, start and don't stop, just start. Congratulations, class of 2020. You did it, we did it. Fight on forever.
While we would normally all stand together and read the PA oath as one large group, we will reserve that ritual for our in-person celebration. However, I have it on good authority from the governor's office that you cannot receive your license unless you actually do the oath. And so I'm going to ask you to stand in the presence of your loved ones or in front of your mirror and read the oath along with me. I pledge to perform the following duties with honesty and dedication. I will hold as my primary responsibility the health, safety, welfare, and dignity of all human beings. I will uphold the tenets of patient autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice. I will recognize and promote the value of diversity. I will treat equally all persons who seek my care. I will hold in confidence the information shared in the course of practicing medicine. I will assess my personal capabilities and limitations, striving always to improve my medical practice. I will actively seek to expand my knowledge and skills, keeping abreast of advances in medicine. I will work with other members of the healthcare team to provide compassionate and effective care of patients. I will use my knowledge and experience to contribute to an improved community. I will respect my professional relationship with a physician. I will share and expand knowledge within the profession. These duties are pledged with sincerity and upon my honor. Congratulations. You may now officially apply for your license. In all seriousness, these words are more than just something to read off at graduation. They are an acknowledgement of the importance of so many aspects of this profession, the profession you have chosen to join. Dignity, diversity, compassion, confidentiality, respect, and honor. All of these words effectively describe the path that you've chosen to walk with your life. I encourage you to write those words down and refer to them often as you begin your career. On behalf of the faculty and staff of the program, it is my distinct privilege and honor to congratulate you on a job well done. While you have much to accomplish in the coming months and years, you have come a very long way. We want to say with sincerity how incredibly proud we are of you. And while the Trojan family seems like a PR slogan for some, we all know what it truly means to us. We are all looking forward to watching you grow as a professional and also in life. And we wish you the very best in your future endeavors. As Dean Mosqueda is often known to say these days, heal on and congratulations.
Happy graduation, class of 2020. I know this is probably not how you wanted to celebrate 3 years of PA school, but congratulations, you guys did it. You guys are going to be such great PAs, and I wish you guys the best of luck. Fight on.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Fight on.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Thank you for all the hard work you put in for our patients. Always be that patient advocate. But remember, don't forget to advocate for yourself. Keep on fighting the good fight.
Congratulations, class of 2020, on this accomplishment. Never give up and always keep growing.
It's been a long road to get to where you are, from first finding out what a PA is, to completing all of your pre-PA prerequisites, and finally to completing PA school itself. So definitely a lot of long hours and hard work still ahead, but that's what it's all about. So congratulations again. Good luck, and looking forward to having you all as soon-to-be Trojan Family PA colleagues.
I just finished giving my first GI lecture of the term, and I was thinking about you all today, and I wanted to wish you the best of luck with everything and congratulate you for making it all the way through the program. Your hard work has paid off. Lots of luck on the pants, and fight on.
I just want to say congratulations to the USC PA class of 2020. What an amazing accomplishment. I know you guys aren't celebrating quite the way that you wanted to, but I do believe this will make you more resilient, gracious, compassionate, and determined clinicians. Now go out there and do great things.
Truly, there's no better time to be a physician assistant. There's so many opportunities out there waiting for you. I am so proud of each and every one of you staying the course. I look forward to the opportunity to celebrate again with you when we can all be together. Congratulations.
That moment when I walked out of my last rotation on July 31st, which perhaps not coincidentally is Harry Potter's birthday, and I walked to my little black Sentra that didn't have air conditioning in the heat of the Redland summer, and I got in my car and I exhaled, and I had this moment of private jubilation that felt more satisfying than anything I've ever felt in my whole life. And I hope that you don't let the weird circumstances of this time steal the jubilance that you're meant to feel today and the pride that you're supposed to have with everything that you've accomplished in the last 33 months. I am so proud of you. Thank you for letting me share this journey.
It has been such a pleasure to see all of you grow over the past 2 years and really get to know you. We are heartbroken that we don't get to do regular commencement this year. It is something that faculty and staff all look forward to tremendously. And I really look forward to people doing it in the future. But I want to share with you that as a writer, the best stories come from overcoming an obstacle. And I think that you are so lucky to have this story that shows your strength and your true character, and then get out there and really do what the mission is. I hope that you share those stories with me in future issues of Keck PA, and I promise you that your headshot does not expire until you use it. You are welcome to come back and get it at any time.
I remember counseling many of you, and now we are here and celebrating your graduation. I just wanted to say I wish you the best of luck. It has been a pleasure getting to know all of you, and I can't wait to celebrate with you all in person. But until then, congratulations. Fight on.
It's such an honor to be able to congratulate you on completion of the program. I know that things have been a little turbulent lately, but you all have such strength of character and such resilience that you will weather this storm and go out and pursue the career that you've worked so hard to obtain. You will do amazing things. You're going to enrich the profession, and I know that you'll provide the highest quality care possible for your patients. Please remember that we are part of a Trojan family, you and I together, and that as family, we will always be there for each other. So please, fight on.
Congratulations, 2020. Ms. Schrader is really proud of you guys. You have done a wonderful job. Keep reaching for the stars until we see each other again.
I wanted to take this opportunity to congratulate every one of you for your accomplishment today. It has been an honor being able to work with you in one capacity or another on your path to becoming the best provider that you can be. Know that you will be. Again, congratulations and fight on.
After being discharged as a Green Beret medic in the Army, I was accepted into the USC PA program in 1973. I've been practicing now almost 45 years. I still work part-time in urgent care in Palm Desert, California. My PA license is number 7, which is the oldest active license in our state. After you all pass your boards in a month or so, I believe your number will be a little bit higher than that. But let me tell you what a great profession you've chosen. After 54 years in medicine and 45 years as a PA, I still love helping a sick or injured patient and having them say thank you when it's over. It's the reason I got into medicine. So hopefully 45 years from now, you can make a similar video for the graduating class of 2065. Congratulations, fellow PAs, and fight on.
I'm so incredibly proud of you. It has been such an honor to get to teach you these past 3 years, and I loved having every class with you in some way, shape, or form. The spirit of your class and the soul of your class was something that I fell in love with from very early on, and it just resonated so much more in BSC2 with all of your projects. I'm so going to miss each and every one of you, and I hope now that you will be my colleagues that you will stay in touch and let me know about all the wonderful things that you're doing. And don't forget, order the CBC.
We are so excited to celebrate these accomplishments with all of you. It has been my pleasure to watch all of you grow throughout your clinical year and throughout the last semester of the program. You will do great things. You will accomplish great things. You will all be great providers in the future and represent our PA community well. We are so excited to have you join our Trojan family as clinicians, and will continue to make us proud as PAs. As we always say, fight on, class of 2020.
I want to take this time to congratulate each of you for your perseverance, your flexibility, and most of all, your commitment and dedication to completing the USC Primary Care Physician Assistant Program. I wish you all great success in your new career as a physician assistant. Be passionate, and for sure maintain your compassion for your patients. And with this, I believe you're going to do quite well.
I wanted to leave a few parting remarks. Number one is, hey, it's true that you will fall down, and the world doesn't really care how many times you fall down. As long as you get back up, you're okay. Number two, remember those people that helped you get back up, because those people are our keepers. Number three, work for a cause and not for an applause. And lastly, this is most fitting for during these times, is PA school was like toilet paper. You'll never know that you will miss it until it's gone.
Is that you've been kind, you've made me laugh, you've been humble, you've challenged me, you've been respectful, you've trusted me, I've trusted you. You've modeled an admirable degree of service to others, and you've taken rock, paper, scissors to a whole other level. Remember to be kind to yourselves, ask for help when you need it, acknowledge yourself and others, keep a beginner's mind, observe all the beauty around you, do the best you can with what you have at that moment in time. When all else fails, dance or boogie. Besides practicing medicine, I hope you also practice wellness, forgiveness, self-compassion, and gratitude. What you need is already within you.
I just wanted to take a few moments just to express my gratitude to you to allow me to be a steward in your journey. I know what's occurring right now is preventing us to be able to truly celebrate your accomplishments, but soon we'll be able to congregate together. But at this time, I just really want to express to you how You filled my heart with so much joy and pride in having the opportunity to get to know you and to be there, however possible, to assist in your educational goals. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart. With that said, I wish you all the best success in the world, and I will see you soon. Fight on.